How to set app notifications to alert or silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on themes. You will see themes is here, so click on themes. Now here, so click on menu. So after click on menu, click on settings icon. So after click on settings icon, scroll down and click on notification categories. So after click on notification categories, so you will select. So if you want to set app notification, so alert and sound, so click on app notification. So after click on app notification, so you will see alert and silent is here. So if you want to set silent, so click on silent. So if you want to set alert, so click on alert. So you will alert or select from silent for select from here. So after select alert and silent, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set app notification to alert or silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.